So we are on a 4th December 2021 at about 2:30 p.m. and we are at Sun Temple, Katarmal Sun Temple, and this was built in 9th century. So somewhere around 1200-year-old construction, still standing, and it is made up of wooden blocks kept one above the another. And as we have seen in our last temples, you see the shrines are missing. There is a whole block where shrine must have been insulted, but all the shrines are missing. In last 1200 years, the looters must have smuggled these shrines. They must be found somewhere in European museums again. And why we are here? We are here to see the beautiful architecture, a 1200-year-old architecture, still standing tall. There is a beautiful group of temples over here. Right. And the dome or ghumat of this temple, I think probably might have fallen, and we can see that there is a fallen ghumat over here. This must be the same one which has fallen from that, or this must have fallen from this particular temple, that we don't know. But overall, you can see Himalayan stones are smaller in size. You don't get big size stones, so single stone carvings are not possible, very difficult or next to impossible among Himalayan stones. And here there is some beautiful carving, right? So again, shrine is missing at this place. God knows the shrines, the idols of these, where they have gone, who have looted them, and that's the fate of most of the Indian temples. The ancient one, very few of the temples has been protected by the kingdoms of that time, and most of them, there must be some shrine inserted into this block, which is again removed. And you can see many shrines like this, possibly removed. These are the traces of the construction might have built later on, but this part is original. See, again there is a hole out there. Must be some shrine inserted, some god idol inserted into that rectangular block which has been removed. And the interesting thing is that this is what engineers in India could do 1200, 1300 years ago. The fine structure which is still standing tall. The stones are aligned and placed one over the other.